Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a front camera issue on your iPhone after or before iOS update, even on iOS 17, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, I request to all my friends, please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, force close all the app data running in the background, include the camera app, and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to other solutions. Number 2, launch settings. Here we have to tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, we move to the other one. Under general, we have to tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then tap on background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn on background app refresh. If none of this is not working, then we are going to move the next one. The next one is charge your iPhone the minimum 80 to 85%. And after that, we have to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.